Welcome back. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more web development tutorials.
Today, we'll learn HTML lists, div elements, classes, and IDs.
Let's begin with unordered lists using the UL tag.
Now, let's create an ordered list using the OL tag.
Ordered lists display items with numbers.
The div element is used to group content together.
Block elements start on a new line, while inline elements stay in the same line. The class attribute is used for styling multiple elements. And the ID attribute uniquely identifies a single element.